Hey, hi all. Welcome to Data Odyssey. My name is Soumya Parida and I am a data engineer. I have a passion for making complex topics simple and accessible. So whether you are here to deepen your understanding of data engineering, or you are an experienced personal just curious about the tools and techniques powering these modern data systems, you are at the right place. Okay, so on this channel we'll be exploring a variety of exciting topics, and what my main focus would be is to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Okay, so I'll try to bridge the gap between the theory and practice. So see, these two go hand in hand, so you need to know both of them together. Just ignore my bad handwriting, but try to understand what I want to deliver to you. All right. Okay, so each video will be around 10 to 12 minutes long, and the reason why I am keeping these videos for 10 to 12 minutes is to fit in learning into your busy schedule. All right, so just in at the start of the day, take a cup of coffee and learn about for 10 to 12 minutes, and then or on the way to your office you can learn for 10 to 12 minutes, and then just start with your daily task, right? Or for the students it's much more easier, right? So what I'll do, I'll keep the content, or make the content, deliver you the content in such a manner that it will be full of examples, explanations, and we will even understand the practical aspect of it, what I have been trying to tell over here. Okay, see, what is my main motivation now before starting anything? What is the main motivation behind starting this channel? All right, otherwise you wouldn't even want to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm not starting this channel just for the sake of money, okay, for the sake of fame. My inner feeling is that, or what I have found out amongst my colleagues, amongst my friends, is we do utilize a simple feature. Okay, when we talk about feature, we utilize, okay, we just enable them. This features, we enable them, right? But do we basically know the background architecture or the powerful architecture that is um, that is behind this feature? Okay, so on this channel I'll help you uncover those hidden layers. All right, explaining not just the what or how the thing is taking place, but also the why. So why, asking questions is very important, right? So why this feature is there, the main motivation behind the developers even to develop this feature, right? So this understanding will empower you to make smarter decisions, optimize your workflows, right? So any for our data, in our data world, we all know optimization, it's a very big thing. Be it resource level optimization, be it like optimization are divided into two parts, right? So we have resource level optimization, and we have query level optimization, right? Or you can say the application level, right? We try to optimize things at both levels. So what I am trying to tell, or I am trying to deliver over here, I will try to deliver both of these in the best possible manner. So whether you are a beginner starting out in the field, like any professional looking to sharpen your skills, or just someone which is intrigued by the modern data systems, all right? So how to make your architecture or your workflow, um, so this workflow, how to make it future proof. All right, so in the upcoming future, if certain changes come in your system, how will you try to um, keep up with the pace without changing the entire workflow? All right, so that should be your main focus in your daily job, right? So that's what my motivation was. I saw a gap amongst my colleagues, amongst my friends, and within me even, that I wasn't able to find out content, certain contents which we utilize, or certain topics which we use in our day-to-day jobs, but we are not able to know much about it because those are not available on the YouTube. Rather, those are available in certain articles which most of the people do not read in today's world. Okay, so please, starting today, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. This will help you not miss any exciting content which I have planned for sure. And please do hit the like button, because your support basically will help me bring in more exciting content. Of course, I've planned multiple series with respect to multiple different topics, and every series would be around 10 to 12 videos. Okay, and we'll try to cover the uh, entire series within it. Okay, so I have told a lot about myself, but yeah, let us come to the um, main topic basically, why I started this series, or what is Apache Iceberg. All right, this series is all about it, Apache Iceberg. Okay, this what excited me to start my YouTube channel. Okay, so what is Apache Iceberg? uh See, Apache Iceberg is nothing. This Apache Iceberg, if I tell you, it's a table format. Okay, or if talk to you specifically about it, it's an open table format. Okay, open, open because um, it is not governed by any system. It can be utilized in any data system, in any modern data system, right? That's the exciting part about it. But the more exciting part about it is, it's also a table format. So what is a table format? We need to know about it. All right, uh, this table format, if you break it down literally, um, what we get to know about it is format of a table, right? It's the format of a table. Now many people would troll me for this, but what do I mean the format of a table? Okay, just think about it. This table, what do we mean by a table? We always think that, okay, a table, okay, so maybe the data is there, right? Data might be there in the table. Okay, so okay, now how are these two interrelated? These two are interrelated in the following manner: format in which the data is managed. Okay, so this table format basically deals with the management of data behind those tables. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to introduce you to Apache Iceberg in this video, but in the upcoming videos we will get to know a lot about it. Okay, so what I've planned for you in the upcoming videos, let's see about it. um, so my first video of this series will deal with the introduction. So it's not like a basic introduction like what I told you over here, that it's an open table format. No, it's an in-depth introduction. Okay, and the next will be revolving around the why Apache Iceberg suddenly table format. This table format, this table format basically existed from the times of data warehousing. Now suddenly, why this Apache Delta? I mean to say, this Iceberg table format, right? We have other table formats even, like Delta, Hoodie. These are the other two table formats, and we also have Iceberg, which we are going to learn in this series. And these three are basically table format, but they have their own unique features, and certain features even do overlap. So connecting the dots, we will be exploring about the features even. Okay, now if we get to know about the features, we also will get need to know that how these features are made, like how these features are enabled behind the scenes. Okay, so the BTS basically, right? The behind the scenes architecture of these features. Okay, and then once we know the architecture, we'll know the use cases, multiple use cases. I'll try to bring up the multiple use cases in this on this YouTube channel of how these minute features are enabled with respect to individual sectors. All right, and the need for these inclusion of these minute features. Okay, so be it healthcare, be it pharma, I will try to tell you about it. Also, why do I want to tell you about it? Basically, we need to know about them because every industry has got certain restrictions, the data governance is different basically with respect to each industry, right? And we will know that how to mold our architecture with respect to each industry. All right, and going forward, so since we'll get to know about it, we'll also know the practical demonstration about it, right? Okay, so this is the entire Apache Iceberg series. All right, and okay, I just missed one part. This Apache Iceberg, do you know who has introduced this? Basically, this Apache Iceberg has been introduced by Netflix. Exciting, right? Netflix, the founder, the owner, not the owner now, but the founder, right? And they licensed it to Apache basically in the later years, but Netflix, the owner. So something exciting is there, right? The streaming company is making data tools of their own, data features of their own. Okay, and they are making it open sourced. So we'll learn a lot about these things in multiple series, not only Apache Iceberg, but also there will be multiple contents, maybe related to Delta, maybe related to Hodi, and we will also learn multiple practical aspects, not those dummy projects, okay, which I use, which my other friends use, which my other colleagues use in their projects. Okay, so stay tuned for an in-depth dive into fascinating technologies. Okay, with me, I will learn and I will make you learn. That's my motto. Okay, and thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please do leave your thoughts in the comment. And yeah, so let's embark on this journey together. Okay, see you in the next video.